Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today we will discuss about the I, you, he, she, it, we, they, these words, and these all are the pronoun. Now read this paragraph. First paragraph is Anya is going to Goa tomorrow. Anya, just look out these red words. Anya is packing her suitcase. Anya went to buy t-shirts and shorts for the trip. Full stop. Then again, Anya is going to stay at her sister's house. Full stop. Anya is taking chocolate for her sister. So see, 1, 2, 3, 5 times we have to write Anya. Now see the second paragraph. Anya is going to Goa. She is packing. Now Anya is converted into she. She is packing her suitcase, and another Anya here also. She went to buy t-shirt and shorts for the trip. She is going to stay at her sister's house. She is taking chocolates for her sister. So the difference is that in the first paragraph there were 5 times Anyas were written, but in the second time the name of the Anyas now changes with the she. So now let us study some more example about it, they, she, he. My name is Kajal. I am 6 years old. Take this story book. You will enjoy reading it. Rashid plays likes to play football. So Rashi is now he. Sonam has a new dress. Girl name. So she will wear it today. I have a new cat. It drinks milk. Vanshika and I are best friends. We always sit next to each other. Radha and her friends went for the picnic. So it's a they. And therefore we see I, you, he, she, it, we and they are used in the place of naming words. Now circle the naming words. First one is given puppy. Second, Sana does not like chips. The shirt is dirty. Put it in the washing machine. And the shirt is converted into the it, so it's a. Then fourth one, Mary naming word, Jamesh naming word, and now they is replaced Mary and Jamesh, and Goa is also naming word. Arjun and I naming words, it has been changed with we like to play cricket. Now complete these sentences. These are the sentences. They, she, he, you, it, I. Use capital letters wherever needed. This is Anu. So Anu, the name of the girl. So it is she. Is kicking the ball. Ajay and Meeta are at home. So more than one are there. So it will be they. They are playing Ludo. Then that is Abhay. So it is he is sitting on the chair. Then what is the color of the bag? It question mark. Then it is purple in color. Hi Sajid, are you going to the park? Then yes sir, I know the answer. Now we have to fill the blank with the correct words. Rohan is a clever boy. He can make many things with paper. Isha goes to Priya's house every Sunday. She go to the park to play. My father wakes up early. He goes for run every morning. I like the blue fish. It has a long tail. My grandmother lives in Kolkata. She visits us during the holidays. Now tick the correct answer sentence and cross the incorrect. Many children are playing in the park. They are all boys. Sarah likes to sing. She wants to be singer. Do not stand in the rain. They will catch the cold. It's a wrong. Subodh and Arun are in the army. It's also wrong. It will be they are very brave. And fifth, I am going to wed house in the afternoon. I will go to the fair. It is we will go to the fair together. So now work in a pair. Describe your favorite storybook to your partner. You may begin like this. My favorite storybook is Cinderella. It is fairy tales. The main character in it, Cinderella, she is. So now you make the the word like I, you, he, she, it, and they are used in the place of the naming word. It is used to talk about oneself. He is used for male. She is used for females. It is used to talk about the non-living things. It is also used to talk about the animal, birds, when they do not have a special name. We is used to talk about ourselves and the people who are with us, and you can be used to take about one or more than one person, and they is used only when we talk about more than one person. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.